So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy that you can do to make up to $400 every single day right now, even if you're actually a lazy person and you want to just simply go on to making money online. You can utilize this strategy right here to make cool cash online right now. So I would like you to stick on to the end of this video because we're going to be utilizing this platform right here where you could get the instant laser targeted traffic right now. Use that to make money online. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Supposing you do like such content, guys, go to my channel. There are a lot of videos that you can actually see that will help you out in boosting your income online. You could also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on all to always get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today right now, the first thing which you actually want to get done, guys, is to make sure, guys, that you actually head onto this platform called Warrior Plus. If you do head onto Warrior Plus, you will see that this is actually an amazing affiliate marketing platform which you could go on to utilizing right here. As you could go on to utilizing the sales automation, you could get this platform gets about thousands of affiliates, you get top-notch products and powerful tracking right here. So you want to just simply utilize this platform, click on the sign up for free, and you'll be brought to this page where you just simply need to sign up with just these basic details such as the username you intend on using, select a password, and select an email address you want to utilize, complete the captcha, and actually go on to creating an account right here. You will be sent an email or a mail to your email address right there, which you will actually need to go on to confirming that right now so that you can confirm your email address and go on to logging into your account. Once you do log into your account right here, you want to come onto this section which says affiliate, select offers right now, and if you do select that, guys, it's going to bring you to a page where you can actually go on to seeing lots of offers you can actually take advantage of to go on to promoting right now, and you're going to be making some cool profits with some offers right here. So if I do select this particular offer right now, you're going to see more details right here. At this particular offer right here, you're going to be getting a particular price profit of $9 right here in commission right now. As you can see, you do get 100% commission for this particular offer, which is actually a cool and amazing offer right now. This offers right here, so depending on what they purchase right now, they purchase this particular product, you're going to get 100% commission for this, also 100%, and you can see that everything right here is on 100% commission. You're going to be making some cool cash right here with the help of this particular platform. And if you do click on view sales page right now, it's going to bring you right here to this page where you can see more details about
I can do something that you can't. I can generate $1,000 to $2,000.
Now you can see more details about the sales page of this particular platform. All you need to do is to go into creating a landing page with this exact same title of the sales page right now. Your landing page will actually have this exact same title at the top right there from your sales page right here. So you want to just simply utilize platforms like maybe you could utilize the get response right here to create a simple landing page. You may also want to utilize platforms like Systeme.io to go on to creating a simple landing page. So make sure you take out your time to create a landing page. I'm not going to show you how you could do that right now because I have some videos already made for you on my channel that can go on to teaching you how to create a simple landing page. If you want to check out those videos, come onto my channel, click on this particular search icon. You want to just simply go on to type in a landing page, and if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you can see some of the videos right here I have for you that could help you create simple landing pages. This one right here is for the Systeme.io. This is actually showing you how to create a landing page on Google sites. This is also showing you that on how to create a landing page to promote multiple CPA marketing offers on Google sites. This is for the Webflow right now. This is for the Breezy Cloud, and these are actually cool videos that could help you go into creating simple landing pages. So check such videos out and utilize such videos to create simple landing pages right now. And guys, once you create a landing page right there, because we don't want to actually be using our offer link directly right now from Warrior Plus right here, which is why you want to create a landing page for that offer to actually attract more audience and get you better conversions to that offer right now. Once you do create a landing page, guys, you want to head onto this platform right here, which is actually having this exact domain. As you can see the domain right here, just simply pause the video, copy the domain, and utilize that. Or you may actually check out the description of this video to get the link to this particular website. And if you do get there right here, you can see that with this website right now, you could get instant laser targeted traffic right now. All you need to do is to just simply click on get traffic now, sign up to the website. It is quite easy to sign up. You should be brought to a page such as this, and it is easy to go on to creating a campaign right here, because with this right here, you could just simply create this or create a campaign on this platform and leave that right there. After you funded your account, create a campaign. You'll be making money on autopilot, because this platform is actually going to help you go on to promoting such offers. You want to click on add new campaign. If you do click on that right here, it's not complicated in creating a campaign. All you need to do is just simply watch this video to the end and you'll be able to do that. You want to give your campaign a name right now and give it a very cool name related to that particular offer. You want to just simply paste in your destination URL, and this destination URL, you never want to use this particular link to the Warrior Plus direct affiliate link right here. Instead, you want to use the link to the landing pages which you actually created, either with GetResponse, Systeme.io, or any other landing page builder or creator site out there. So use the link right there to that particular section and paste in here right here. Once you do that right now, you want to just simply put in a schedule right now. You want to just simply put in maybe something like start now right here, and you could select no end date, or if you want to select an end date, you can fix that right here. If you want to select a start date, you could also select that right now. For the targeting right here, guys, you want to just simply select the verticals right now. Maybe you can leave this on as it is right here, which is make money online. You can see the traffic providers right here. You could actually select one right now, or you could go just simply select all kinds of traffic provider right now. You could come to this country section, and in this section, guys, since this particular offer right now is actually an offer from that speaks about English, or most of the stuff right here are actually written in English right now, it is quite important that you actually go on to selecting the select English tier 1 countries right now. And such tier 1 countries are actually Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States of America. And these are actually countries that will help you get better conversions to your offers right now. So these are top tier 1 countries that actually speaks English right here. So this is quite cool that you actually promote your offers to such countries right now. You could actually go on to targeting devices right here. As you can see, you could target desktop, smartphones, or tablets, or you could leave that empty. As you can see, it says keep empty for all devices types right now. You could see that if you want to target an operating system, you could actually keep empty for all operating systems right now. Maybe you want to focus on Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, or a specific operating system. You can select that of your choice right now. You could add in tags right here, or you could keep empty for all tags, and that's actually going to help you right there. For this budget section, guys, all you need to do is actually go on to inserting your budget, which is the cost per click amount you are actually going to be paying per click for this particular platform. And you can see right here on this platform, guys, you'll be able to go on to getting availability of about 6,273 clicks, which are available per day at a cost of 11 cents right here to about $1.34 in US dollar per day right now. And you can see how cool this actually is. So depending on the amount right here that you actually fix in this section, that depends on the amount you're actually going to be amount of click you're actually going to be getting. So if I do go into paying, so maybe something like 0.25 right here, maybe per click right now, and you're actually going to insert in a budget, maybe a total budget of $100 right now, you could actually insert a daily budget for it to not actually exceed that particular amount which you're actually going to set a day. You can fix in that right there if you do want right now. And you can actually do see right here that with your current max CPC bid, you can get at best 23 clicks per day right now. So you can actually go on to increasing that based on your preference right here, or you could just simply reduce that right now. So you can see how cool this actually is. So just simply take out much of your time right now. Take out much of your time and edit this page right here and go on to getting some cool cash right now. So supposing you're getting 23 clicks per day right now, you are actually going to go on to maybe getting some cool traffic right now. Maybe if you're getting 23 clicks per day, I'm just going to go on to utilizing my calculator. So if I do multiply 23 clicks per day multiply by 0.25, you'll be able to see the amount I'm actually going to be spending a day right now, which is $5 a day right here. This is actually quite okay right now. So you can actually go on to estimating the amount of time or the amount of the time period this particular ad will actually go on to running for yourself right now. So utilize this platform when you want to fund your account. To go on to starting to run this campaign, after clicking on active, click on start and save campaign, and go on to running this campaign to make some cool cash online. So this strategy is actually for lazy people that are actually interested in making money online even without doing much work right there. This platform will help you do the work by promoting those such affiliate marketing products, and you're going to make some cool cash with that. If you actually want to learn more strategies on how you could make money online, make sure you're actually subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is on all, so you do get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.